In this video, we will learn a easy method to find a cube root of perfect cube number. The only thing is that should memorize the cubes of the number from 1 to 10. If you know the cubes of the number from 1 to 10, then it is very simple to find cube root of a number, any number, very easily. So let us learn how to find cube root of a perfect cube numbers. First is we should memorize the cube of the number from 1 to 10. That cube of 1 is 1, cube of 2, 8, 3 is 27, 4 is 64, 5 is 125, 6 is 216, 7 is 344, 343, 8 is 512, 9 is 729 and 10 is 1000. So should memorize this cubes of from 1 to 10, and if you know this cubes, then you can easily find the cube root of perfect cube number. So first technique is you should check the last digit of the cube number. Now last digit of the cube is same for 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. If you see here 1, last digit of the cube is 1. Then for 4, it is 64, last digit is 64. For 5, it is 5. For 6, it is 6. For 9, it is 9. And for 10, it is 0. And the last digit changes for 2 changes to 8. 2 changes to 8. Then our 8 changes to 2. And 3 changes to 7. And 7 last digit 7 cube changes to 3. This thing you should keep in the mind, and you can find the cube of any perfect cube number. So first example we'll take as cube root of 15625. So cube root of 15625, here the last digit, if you see here, first we should check the last digit, that is 5. So last digit is 5. So the cube root this cube will be here, 5 will come. 5 remains 5. Now ignore last 3 digits. Ignore last 3 digits of the number, perfect cube number, and should see the nearest cube, which is the smaller than 15. Nearest cube of the number which is smaller than 15. We'll see the cube of the number. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 28, and 3 cube is 27. 27 is greater than 15 and 8 is less than 15. So the number which will come in the tens place will be 2. So unit place number will be 5 and tens place will be 2. In this manner, the cube root of 15625 is 25. Second example, cube root of 5832. So first step is to check the last digit. Last digit is 2. So now if you see the last digit, 2 changes to 8. So here the unit place will be our 8. 2 changes to 8. Now ignore last 3 digits. You have to ignore last 3 digits of the perfect cube number and consider the remaining digits. Now this number is check the cube of the number which is smaller than 5. So if you see here, 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 8, which is greater than 5. So our number will be 1 at the tens place. So here the number at tens place will be 1. So cube root of 5832 is 18. Third example. Now here the last digit of this number is 3 and 3 changes to 7. So the number at unit place will be 7 of the perfect cube number 185193. Now ignore last 3 digits. We have to ignore last 3 digits and see the remaining digits. You should see the cube of the such a number which will be the smaller than 185. So which is the cube of the number which is smaller than 185? In this list, we'll see the cube of the number smaller than 185 is cube of 5, that is 125. So the number at the tens place will be 5. So cube root of 185, 193 is 57. Fourth example, let us see the cube root of 97336. So last digit of this perfect cube number, these are the perfect cube, is 6. So last digit 6. So if you see the rule, it is same for 6 is 6. So cube of 6 unit place is 6. So here the last digit is 6. So our unit place of the perfect cube number is will be cube root will be 6. So now the cube root of, to ignore last 3 digit of this perfect cube number, and now cube root of 97336. Now the remaining 97. 97, the nearest cube of the number which is less than 97 is 64. So 64 is a cube of 4. So number at the tens place will be 4. So cube root of 97336 is 46. Now next example, the unit place of the number is 9, and 9 is same for 9, does not changes. So unit place of the perfect cube root will be of the number will be 9. Now ignore last 3 digits. Remaining 3 digits are 704. So which is the smaller cube number, perfect cube number, less than 704 is 512. The cube of 8 it is. So the number at tens place will be 8. So cube root of 704969 is 89. Example, cube root of 19683. So last digit of this number is 3. So 3 here changes to 7. So here 3 changes to 7. 7 will be the unit place, and then ignore last 3 digits. 19 is the number. So the cube less than 19 is 8. So 8 is the cube of 2. So number at the tens place will be 2. So cube root of 19683 is 27. In the same manner, now the next example, last digit of the number is 8, and 8 changes to 2. 8 changes to 2. So unit place of this perfect cube root number cube is, unit place will be 2. And now ignore last 3 digits. The number remaining is 32. 32 is the less than the cube which is less than 32 is 27. So the number at tens place will be 3. So cube root of 32768 will be 32. In this manner we can find the cube root of any perfect cube number from 1 to 100.